Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. We are pleased to show you the 2023 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.